Join our new 3D art challenge where you pick an inspiring moment from your favorite media like movies, shows, games, books, you name it, and turn it into a fun 8 seconds long 3D animation where everything is made out of cubes. We provide the template scene and you create the animation. Together we will build a fun montage of inspiring moments in a distinct visual style. You have 5 weeks, you can use any 3D tool of your choice and you can win some special prizes. Click the link below in the video description to learn more or just continue watching this video. Hi everyone, Zach Reinhardt here, and I'm very excited that we are finally back with our new CG Boost challenge, and this one will be quite an exciting one because it's our first 3D animation challenge. As some of you might know, we have this Cubic Worlds course for Blender where we teach how you can create these beautiful low poly animations where everything is made out of cubes or cubic shapes. The core idea here is to make creating more ambitious 3D animations easier, since modeling everything with cubes allows you to be a bit more loose and creative but still get really nice results. We feel that this art style can allow anyone to create beautiful 3D animations, and this is why we decided to make this experiment and run our first CG Boost Cubic Worlds challenge focused on inspiring moments from any of your favorite media. We have a template scene prepared for you with a spinning camera animation which you have to use as foundation, and in the end we will build a fun montage of all our animations with an ever spinning camera. And yes, of course, we were inspired by the epic 3D art challenges hosted by Clinton Jones aka Punisher, so big shout out to him for the inspiration. So now you might wonder if you have to take the Cubic Worlds course in order to join this challenge. Of course not. This challenge is open for everyone. In the challenge post, linked down below in the video description, you will find some short video tutorials showing you the most important Cubic Worlds workflows, how to use the template file, and how to work with some free assets which we also provide for this challenge. Additionally, you can check out my 2 breakdown videos here on YouTube where I show you how I created some of my Cubic World scenes, and also check out our recent video here on this YouTube channel by my colleague Alan Plains. He created a video where he shows how the Cubic World style helped him to create a more ambitious 3D animation. But in any way, the Cubic Worlds course goes way more into the details, which can be a great help for this challenge of course. And to make the course a bit more accessible, it will be 20% off during the duration of the challenge. Check out the link down below in the video description. In addition, Pierrick Picot, aka the best Blender rigging and animation course creator alive, joins this challenge as a guest judge, and for the duration of this challenge his Blender animation course Alive will also be 20% off. So if you want to learn how to animate your characters for this challenge animation, this course is for you. Check out the link and the coupon code down below in the video description. To join the challenge, click the link down below in the video description which takes you to the challenge post in our community. There you can download the template file available as blend file for our Blender users and as FBX file for use in other 3D tools. The template scene has a spinning camera animation and an empty circle where we suggest you keep the main focus and action of your animation. Important, the camera animation and rotation speed must be left untouched, as well as the beginning and end of the focal lengths. You can zoom in and out during your animation, but the beginning and end must be the focal lengths which we set up in the template file. This is important so we can put together an ever spinning montage of all the animations. We also provide a file with some pre-made assets like materials, props and rigged characters which you can use to kickstart your creation process. However, this file is only available for Blender. For users of other 3D tools, you can always download Blender for free and export the assets to your tool of choice. Yeah, and then you pick an inspiring moment from your favorite media, so any scene or moment from your favorite movies, shows, games or books, and then turn this into your own Cubic Worlds animation and submit it before the deadline is over through the submission form, which you can also find in the challenge post in our community. For all the specifications of the final video file, also check out the challenge post. Now you might wonder, what can you win? Well, the main goal here is to learn, improve, and work together as a community to create an epic, inspiring montage. However, we also have some special prizes for extra motivation. If you are in the top 10 animations, your animation will be featured in a special top 10 animations category in our epic montage YouTube video, and your animation will be reviewed along with the other top 10 animations in a special feedback and critique video, which we will publish on our YouTube channel. In addition, you will get your very own trophy animation with your name engraved to show off on social media. If you're in the top 5 animations, you will get everything which I just mentioned, plus you will also get one course of your choice from CG Boost, one course of your choice from P2 Design, and you get the chance to join a 1-hour private video call together with the other top 5 winners and the CG Boost team to ask questions, get feedback, and just hang out. And of course, you will also get your very own trophy animation. And if you are the top winner of this challenge, you will get everything which I just mentioned, plus you get the chance that we will create a professional behind the scenes video with you, featuring your 3D animation and how it was created, and this video will be published here on our YouTube channel. So more eyeballs for you! And of course, you will also get your very own trophy animation. And in addition, we will pick 5 random people from everyone that participates, which will also get a spot in our critique and review video along with the top 10 animations. Yeah, for the judging process, we have our judges. First of all, we have our guest judge, Pierrick Picot from P2 Design, which is a master in animation and rigging, and he's also sponsoring a course for our top 5 winners. And then we have a couple of people from the CG Boost team. We have Martin Kleckner, who is a course creator here at CG Boost, and he's also the creator of the epic short film Heroes of Bronze. Then we have Daniel Nees, who is a professional VFX artist working on big budget Hollywood movies, and he's also part of the CG Boost team. Then we have Masha Bazueva, she's a 3D artist and a community manager here at CG Boost. And then last but not least, we have Zach Reinhardt. Well, that's me. Wait, before you go, there's one secret to make your animations for the challenge a ton better. And this secret is to ask and implement feedback. Well, good news, we have a special section for this challenge in our community where you can post your work in progress animations, chat with the other challengers, and also get feedback from the CG Boost team and of course from the other community members. Getting feedback and implementing this can make a huge difference, so don't miss this opportunity. You can join our free community, linked down below in the video description. So, if this challenge sounds interesting to you, don't hesitate and get started. Write down some ideas of your favorite media, then click the link in the video description, create your animation, join the community, check out the Cubic Worlds course, and most importantly, have fun. Good luck everyone. Zach out.